The escalating pressure of constant connectivity. In the modern era, we're living through a silent crisis. We wake up, and before our eyes have even adjusted to the morning light, our thumbs are already scrolling. We are the first generation in human history to be always on. This isn't just a habit, it's a fundamental shift in the human experience. The pressure to be reachable at all hours by your boss, your friends, your family, and even by brands has created a state of permanent cognitive overload. The mental health toll is no longer up for debate. We see it in the rising rates of generalized anxiety, the fragmented nature of our attention spans, and the phantom vibration syndrome, where we feel our leg twitching even when the phone isn't in our pocket. We're living in a state of continuous partial attention, never fully present in the room we're sitting in, because a piece of our consciousness is always hovering in the digital cloud. The invisible hook, how algorithms own your time. Why is it so hard to just put the phone down? It isn't a lack of willpower, it's a lopsided battle. On one side, there is your brain, evolved over millions of years to seek out social validation and novel information. On the other side, there are thousands of engineers and the world's most powerful supercomputers, all working toward one goal: maximizing your time on device. Algorithms are designed to understand your psychological vulnerabilities better than you do. They know when you are lonely, when you are bored, and when you are most likely to buy something to fill a void. They feed us intermittent rewards, that ping of a notification or the like on a photo, which triggers a dopamine hit similar to a slot machine. This creates a feedback loop that makes the digital world feel more real and more urgent than the physical one. Why is cold turkey fails? We've all tried the traditional digital detox. We delete the apps, put the phone in a drawer, or go for a weekend in the woods. And for a moment, it feels amazing. But the second we return to our real lives, the pressure rushes back in. In a hyper-connected world, going cold turkey is often unsustainable because our jobs, our social lives, and our basic logistics are now baked into these devices. We don't need a temporary escape. We need a sustainable architecture for living. The AI paradox, using tech to disconnect. It sounds counterintuitive, doesn't it? The idea that the very technology that fractured our attention, artificial intelligence, could be the key to fixing it. This is the AI paradox. While AI has been used to keep us hooked, it also possesses the unique capability to act as a protective layer between us and the noise of the internet. AI as an ally, not an enemy. Instead of viewing AI as the brain of the social media slot machine, we can begin to view it as a personal digital guardian. AI is incredibly good at pattern recognition. While you might not realize that you spend 40% of your Sunday morning doom scrolling when you're feeling anxious about the work week, and AI can see that pattern clearly. The core idea is simple: outsource the discipline. If we can't trust our own dopamine-driven brains to make the right choice in the heat of the moment, we can use intelligent systems to preemptively make those choices for us, facilitating a mindful tech use that feels effortless rather than restrictive. Smart AI tools for conscious disconnection. We're moving beyond simple screen time timers. The next generation of digital wellness tools uses machine learning to adapt to our lives in real time. AI-powered app blockers. Traditional blockers are rigid. They turn off at 9 p.m. and turn on at 8 a.m. AI-driven blockers, however, learn your focus cycles. They can detect when you are in a state of deep work by monitoring your interaction patterns and automatically shut down distracting tabs before you even realize you're drifting toward them. Intelligent notification filters. Not all notifications are created equal. A text from your partner about an emergency is vital. A notification about a 10% discount on shoes is noise.
AI can now categorize alerts based on context and urgency, siloing low-value distractions into a single daily digest while ensuring that truly important human connections still get through. Predictive scheduling. Imagine an AI that syncs with your calendar and your biometric data, like heart rate or sleep quality. If it sees you've had a stressful day or a poor night's sleep, it can automatically carve out offline blocks in your schedule, locking your non-essential apps to force a period of recovery when your energy levels are at their lowest.
Beyond blocking, AI for mindful engagement. Digital wellness isn't just about saying no to tech. It's about saying yes to the right things. This is where AI moves from being a gatekeeper to being a coach. The reflective companion. New AI interfaces are being developed to prompt self-awareness. Instead of just blocking an app, the AI might intervene with a simple question. You've opened Instagram 5 times in the last hour. Are you looking for something specific, or are you just feeling bored? This tiny moment of friction forces the user to move from an autopilot state to a conscious state. It's like having a therapist in your pocket who helps you audit your digital habits in real time. Personalized content curation. The feed is usually a chaotic mess of whatever will get a reaction. AI tools can now be trained to filter out high-arousal, low-value content, outrage, clickbait, repetitive memes, and instead prioritize long-form or enriching content that aligns with your actual interests and goals. This transforms your phone from a source of stress into a curated library of inspiration. The digital wellness coach. We're seeing the rise of AI-driven wellness coaches that provide tailored accountability. These systems don't just give you a report of your screen time, they analyze the quality of that time. They provide strategies such as, I noticed you're most distracted on Tuesday afternoons. Let's try a 15-minute guided meditation at 2 p.m. next Tuesday. Reclaiming focus, the future of digital wellness. As we look toward the future, the goal isn't to live in a cave without electricity. The goal is to reach a state where technology serves us rather than the other way around. We are envisioning a future where AI empowers us to be truly present. Imagine a world where your devices are quiet by default. A world where your digital tools help you reach your flow state faster and stay there longer. A world where, when you're at dinner with a friend, your phone is smart enough to know that the most important thing in the universe at that moment is the person sitting across from you. A call to action. The always-on trap is powerful, but it is not inescapable. I encourage you to start small. Don't try to change everything at once. Experiment. Look for one AI-integrated tool this week, whether it's a smart notification filter or a reflective journaling app. Observe. Notice how your body feels when you aren't being constantly bombarded. Observe the tangible benefits, the return of your ability to read a book for an hour, or the decrease in that background hum of anxiety. Share. Digital wellness shouldn't be a lonely journey. Talk to your friends about it. The future of technology doesn't have to be loud, distracting, and addictive. It can be calm, intentional, and human. The tools are here. The choice is ours.